everyone, so today I will be sharing my eyelash extension class experience that I took with Hollywood Makeup Academy. I will discuss what the course covered and what to expect if you decide to attend this academy. So let's get started. I'm a licensed cosmetologist and have been wanting to expand my services by getting certified as an eyelash technician for quite some time. So I decided to start researching schools that were close to my area, and I live in California, by the way, just in case you didn't know. And the things that I was looking for in schools was that it was close to me, that it was well ranked on Yelp, that their class schedule fit mine, and that it was affordable. So after a lot of research, I came across Hollywood Makeup Academy online, and I found that this school was located in Los Angeles, and it provided many courses like eyelash extensions, lash lift and tint, the Russian volume eyelash extensions, bridal makeup, updos, and many more. Even after finding this school, I continued to look for other schools that I thought would be better, but I didn't find one that met all my requirements, so I went ahead and enrolled into Hollywood Makeup Academy. I will link the website of the school down below, so if you want to check it out, you can go ahead and check it out and see what they have to offer. When I enrolled on their website, and I selected the class that I wanted to take and pay for the deposit to save my spot in the classroom. So I paid the remaining balance the day of the class. So you can just take one class at a time, or you can take advantage of this package deal that they offer, and that includes 3 classes, and you can save some money if you take all 3 at the same time, but you have to pay for them or just pay the deposit for all 3 at the same time. So the package is one of the classes is the classic lash extensions, and that's when one individual lash is placed on one natural lash, and then the second class is the Russian volume eyelash extension class. So that one is when multiple lashes are placed on the natural lash, and then they also have the lash lift and tint, and that is when your natural lashes are permed, lifted, and tinted, and that one lasts about 6 weeks or so. So you can save some money and enroll in all 3, or you can just go ahead and take one class, or you can take all 3 as well and just take them one at a time, or pay for them individually, but you just don't take advantage. You don't take advantage of the deal. You could just pay full price for that. The class that I enrolled in landed on a Saturday, and that was and it started at 11 a.m. So before the lecture started, the instructor collected the remaining balance we owed for the class, and then we received a booklet we got to keep, and it contained information about eyelash application, a list of materials we would need, client consent forms, insurance information, so pretty much everything that is related to eyelash extensions. Before moving on to practical work on a mannequin, we learned the proper way to hold and maneuver the tweezers, the correct way to apply glue on the lashes, and just a lot of like lash hacks to make sure that our application was properly executed. And he showed us a lot of tricks of the trade, and just to make our life a little bit easier when we get there and start lashing. Our instructor CJ helped us, and he also guided us individually on what we needed to work on, and he just shared so much knowledge that he's learned from his 10+ years of experience, and it was just a very hands-on course. Here's a short breakdown on some of the topics that we covered. So one of the topics we covered was client safety, so who can and cannot receive these services and why, as well as the procedures to take in case a client accidentally gets glue in their eye, or any other obstacles that we may encounter. We also covered business setup, so how to market yourself and how to keep your clients coming to you. We covered cost and profit estimates. So he breaks down the cost of materials you spend on each client and how much profit you can earn from that. He also shares the amount that you can charge clients for your services, for their full sets, their refills, and all that good stuff. You also get like a list of the tools that you need to get started. So he breaks down the list of supplies that you need, and he also shares the professional websites that you can get products from. Some of these websites require you to create an account and provide proof that you are a certified lash technician. You can buy your items, buy your kit on your own, just kind of make up your own kit, or you can purchase a kit through the school. I personally decided to create my own kit. The kit that they provided was great, but I felt like I wanted to get something more in bulk, so I just went ahead and ordered my kit on Amazon, or ordered items for my kit on Amazon. I will go ahead and share a list of the basic materials I purchased, and as well as the links down below, so if you want to check it out, you can. Another thing that he covered was lash styles. So we received a map that guided, like, with patterns that we can use to create different looks, and he also breaks down those those patterns in class and teaches you how to adjust the sizes just to complement each client, so you don't, because you know every client is different, you know, so he just kind of taught us how to do that, which was great. So before I took this course, I watched a lot of YouTube videos, like I'm sure a lot of us do, and you know, just watched a lot of videos on the subject, trying to absorb as much information as possible. But you know, no matter how many videos I watched and you know how much knowledge I got, I didn't get the hands-on training that I got from this class, as well as the extra knowledge that I got from a perspective of a professional, experienced technician. So I feel so much more knowledgeable and confident to get in there and start lashing. So if you're wondering if you get a certificate or not, the answer is yes. You do receive a certificate of completion at the end of class, and you can use a certificate to create accounts on lash websites, so you can go ahead and start ordering from them if you want. So my overall experience with Hollywood Makeup Academy was a really good one. I feel like I got my money's worth. I learned so much while getting the hands-on experience and training. I would definitely recommend this school to anyone that is in the LA area or is willing to travel to the LA area. I just really enjoyed it. You know, I think I definitely, well, I'm definitely going back and take more classes. So yeah, I definitely recommend this school. Before I end this video, I would like to give a huge shout out to CJ, who was our instructor that day. Thank you, CJ, so much for your patience, your knowledge, and for providing a comfortable, fun learning environment for your students. I really felt your passion for teaching throughout the course, and I can't wait to learn more from you. And I'm sure I will see you very soon. If you have any questions for me, please share them down in the comments box below, and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. Remember to like this video, share it if you found it helpful, and subscribe to stay posted with all the videos that I upload. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is Karen, so check out some of my work. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!